Among the 105 announcements at Google's Cloud Next 18 event were 16 AI-oriented announcements. Alison Wagenfeld, VP of Marketing for Google Cloud, documented the full list in her blog here, but I wanted to pay special attention to the AI announcements. Let's start with a breakdown of the announcements into 5 categories. They are updates to Dialogflow Enterprise Edition, AI hardware updates, updates to AI-oriented core cloud services, and 2 areas that are of particular interest to me, contact center AI solutions and cloud AutoML. Let's take it from the top. Dialogflow, formerly API.ai, is a well-established platform for developing voice and text-based conversational systems and interfaces. Google's Dialogflow Enterprise Edition went GA in April. At Next, Google announced several Dialogflow Enterprise updates. A new phone gateway that allows a user to assign a working phone number to a virtual agent, with Dialogflow managing speech recognition and synthesis, natural language understanding, and orchestration. New knowledge connectors to process deep structured documents and complement your own pre-built intents with automated responses. These connectors can leverage your understanding of business intents and simplify process automation. Automatic spelling correction that leverages technology already deployed in Google's search and other products. Sentiment analysis, which uses Google's Cloud Natural Language API to classify a user's attitude as positive, negative, or neutral. And finally, text-to-speech is getting native audio response, which complements Dialogflow's existing speech-to-text capability. For hardware, Google announced a new 3rd-generation TPU and a 2nd-generation cloud TPU called Cloud TPU Pod. Next, there were 5 AI-oriented updates to the core cloud services. Cloud Vision API now recognizes handwriting. That's a really nice upgrade. Cloud Text-to-Speech now includes multilingual access to WaveNet-generated voices. WaveNet was showcased earlier in the year at Google I/O. It produces the most lifelike or most natural synthesized voices we've heard to date. Adding it to the core services available on the Google Cloud Platform should put Google on the short list for anyone who wants realistic voices in their conversational systems. And Cloud Speech-to-Text services can now identify which natural language is being spoken. No more press 1 for English. I'd actually like to see that in use at my local ATM. Google also announced XGBoost and scikit-learn libraries for training and classification in their Cloud ML engine, and enhancements to Kubeflow in version 0.2 to simplify the use of machine learning stacks on Kubernetes. Okay, now to the last 2 categories, which I think have the most long-term significance. We had NDA discussions in May, but at Next there was a formal announcement of Contact Center AI with Agent Assist, which adds new Dialogflow features to deliver analytics and support live agents while they're interacting with customers. So during a conversation, Contact Center AI can provide guidance and suggest relevant documents or other information, which augments the performance of the agent in real time. This reminds me of the work of Cogito, an MIT spinout, what they're doing with real-time agent guidance based on continuous monitoring of an agent-customer dialogue. It's a hot area, which should ultimately improve all kinds of conversational systems. Another part of the Contact Center AI solution that looks really strong is the Conversational Topic Modeler. It analyzes historical audio and chat logs to identify topics and trends. I would expect this ultimately to be able to identify tone from the audio and further refine its analysis of customer interactions. Again, this is the kind of technology we need to improve contextual understanding in conversational systems. Finally, there were 3 Cloud AutoML announcements. Google says that Cloud AutoML consists of machine learning models that can be extended to suit specific needs without requiring specialized knowledge in machine learning or coding. I think the best way to describe Cloud AutoML is as a service that allows business users to build a set of relevant models based on attributes of their own data, rather than requiring deep data science expertise. The idea isn't new, but the implementation is really impressive. Cloud AutoML empowers users, and that's a good thing, especially at a time when data science expertise is still a scarce commodity. The 3 announcements were that Cloud AutoML Vision, Cloud AutoML Natural Language, and Cloud AutoML Translation are all now available in beta. So that's it for Cloud Next AI announcements. Google continues to invest heavily in AI research and development, and the results are finding their way into products and services in Google's cloud. Google is clearly among the leaders in virtually every AI category today. Please look for my upcoming Aragon Research note on Google's AI strategy to see how their investments will impact your own AI strategy in the next 5 years.